if you've been following my channel, you will know that I tried to start up my Mozart TX, my all-in-one water-cooled system from EVGA, and it didn't work. So I devised this, and hopefully it doesn't overheat because there's no water going in it to keep it cool. But all I'm trying to do is see if it'll post to the BIOS. If it does, then I know it works. So I've got one graphics card plugged in, one RAM stick, heatsink that's supposed to be water cooled, and the motherboard's supposed to be water cooled, and a fan, just to try and keep it cool. And a different power supply, just in case it was that, but I don't think it was. But just in case, alright? So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell to get notified, and give me the thumbs up. Fingers crossed. Here goes. Power. It has a power button, believe it or not. Fan's going. Have I got that round wrong? I've got that round the wrong way. And we have continuous beep. So I am going to turn up. No, I'm going to leave it on for a second. Now have I plugged something in wrong? Right, so that's not working. So I've done something wrong. I was wondering if that was in properly, actually. Oh, air goes through that, air comes out here. I was wondering if that's in. I'm not 100% sure. I think that's in the right place. What else am I missing? That's in. Plug that again. Yeah, that was in nice and tight. That's in. See, that doesn't feel that tight in there. Try it again. See in? Right, let's try it again. Jumper. Do the jumper. Swap it back over. I think you're supposed to do it for about 30 seconds in there, but you know, let's give it a go. So air in, right, on, power. Oh, it's different. Oh my God. Oh my God, it works. Look at that. I'm well chuffed. Get in now. So she works. It still works. I am amazed. Although it should work because there was nothing wrong with it. It just wouldn't work for some reason. Stopped working. And I was wondering if it's maybe one of the bad leads. So with that, you didn't think we were going to leave it there, did you? I need to check out the other graphics card, make sure my SLI is working properly, or sort of anyway, and also the other stick of RAM. Plus, we didn't actually get into the BIOS, did we? Let's give it a shot right now. Fingers crossed, everything works fine. Power. Start her up. Come on, baby. Let's work. We've got no beeps. And we've got the P1 again. Ooh, that's interesting. Turn her off. Now, we need to find out what is causing it. So I'm going to take the RAM stick out first. That'll be the first thing to try out. Start up again. Oh, could be a stick of RAM. And there you go. Press delete to enter. Delete, delete. Not working. Alright, see that? Did you see that? I've got to move it. Second graphics card. telling me to move it, so I'm going to move it. But it sounds like we've got an issue with a stick of RAM. Interesting. Right, it's upside down, but it doesn't matter. It's just a bridge. Try again, shall we? So I'll leave the stick of RAM out, see what happens. Oh, right. Can't get in. Oh, yeah. What's that? We're in. We're in. So that all works. So we're in. Brilliant. Right. Let's try the stick of RAM again. So it could be a bad slot. No, definitely not working now. Right. Let's swap her out, shall we? Leave that one out. It's a bit odd. Let's try it. See if it's the RAM. Well, it's not the RAM. Double check. It's definitely not the RAM. So I'll leave that in there. Actually, no, we won't. We're going to move it. We're going to put that one in the 4. It should be. Try them again. Oh. Don't like the feel of that one going in there. That's positive. Yes. 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 She works. Right, so we are there. So I might have a bad connection, and that is it. So everything is working fine. She is up and running again. Now, my question is to you, what should I do with it? Should I put it in another PC? I'm not going to put it back into that unit, into the Mozart TX. I'm planning on doing something else with that. So what do you think I should do with this little kit? Yes, I know I haven't checked out the power supply, but I think it's going to be fine. But I will check it out, but I'm going to try that out on an older system, just in case something goes wrong and it damages something. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell to get notified, and put a comment in the comment section, especially if you've got any ideas what I should do with this little kit. Thanks very much for watching.